Hi everyone, today we're going to see another topic in gate programming and data storage. Storage class extern. You have 1 minute to solve. So today we're going to study about a new storage class. So in the previous storage class, what do you see? We had the scope and we had the lifetime. For auto and register, the scope was local, lifetime was local, and for static, we saw that the lifetime was global. Now, extern is a bit different. So it has global scope and global lifetime. So we saw that for auto and static, right, there was some memory being created. In the case of auto, it was one local, and in the case of static, it was referring to that global value. It will be almost like a global variable. But in the case of extern, there is no memory being allocated. The reason is that it is going to point to the global variable. So there is no memory being allocated, it is just using the value of the global. So it has scope global and lifetime global. So whenever we want to use extern, the declaration, yes, we can give a declaration. Multiple declaration is possible. But if you try to assign any value, no, it's not allowed. Why? Because there is no value, no memory actually being allocated for extern. So if you try to assign any value, it will just give you an error. The only thing we can do is that we can refer a global variable, and when we are trying to print a value, it will refer to the global value. So note that extern variable can be declared more than once, but you should never initialize, as there is no memory being created. It is just pointing to the global variable. So the scope and lifetime of extern is global. Multiple declarations are allowed. So this is correct. Since it's referring to the global value, that is why we're getting the output as 100. Now look at case 2 and case 3. We see one assignment. Int x is equal to 10. Assignment is not allowed, that's why we're getting error. Now look at case 3. We have just one declaration. So why do we see error? Remember that extern always points to the global variable. So if no global variable is present, then it will be giving error, as extern does not allocate its own memory, it just points to the global variable. So always remember, to declare your extern but never initialize and make sure there is a global value. Thank you.